So basically in 3 weeks I ran my account into 95,000 profit. Yo, I feel like I haven't done this in so long. It's kind of ridiculous. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If y'all don't know who this is, my name is Louis Visuals, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep that same name, but my name is Louis. Welcome back. I haven't been on this channel in a while now, and I definitely have a reason why, which is what I'm gonna talk about in this video. But first things first, appreciate you for tuning into this video. I usually have an intro to these things, but today I just wanted to really explain what has been going on since the last time that I posted, which I don't even remember when the last time I posted. Actually, let me check. Give me a second. Wow, that's kind of crazy. I wasn't expecting that number. I thought it's been a couple weeks, but I guess the last video I posted was 2 months ago, which is kind of ridiculous. I haven't even been posting shorts. I actually stopped posting on Instagram as well. That wasn't 2 months ago. That was pretty recent. That was probably like, well, let me check actually on that one too. The last time I posted on Instagram, I just checked right now, was on October 30th. That was the day right before Halloween. It was an edit that I did for my boy Vic. Shout out Vic. That's kind of crazy. I wasn't expecting it to be that long. There's actually a reason why. Let's get to it. So the first reason why I stopped posting was because I felt like I needed to change what I was talking about. I was interested in a couple new things aside from filmmaking and making videos in general. But let me just get to it. Let's get straight to the point. I've been learning a new skill. That's really the reason why I've really been putting my head in the books and learning a skill that can make me and is making me a lot of money. And I'm going to explain that a little bit further in this video. But I've been picking up day trading. I've been studying and learning about day trading for the past, well, I'll say taking it seriously for the past 2 months since I posted my last YouTube video. The thing with it is I've always known about day trading. I've always been interested in day trading or trading in general. I've always had knowledge about it from just learning about finances and my financial literacy, but I never really took it seriously. I never thought that it could really become something that I would be doing on a day-to-day basis. But here we are 2 months later, and it's something that I'm getting ready to actually, I'm announcing it in this video. I'm gonna keep it a little bit towards the end of the video, or we'll see what ends up happening. I really had nothing planned for this video. I was just like, I really just have to get back in front of the camera, and here I am. I'm back in front of the camera. But like I said, I've been learning for the past 2 months, and it's been an up and down roller coaster. This is not something that's simple at all, especially if you want to mitigate most of the mistakes that beginners end up having. And this is a skill that can make you a lot of money, but it could also lose you a lot of money at the same time if you're not very careful and you don't have the correct risk management. And that's something that I've been really learning. I've come up with my own strategy, and I've been trying to hone in and really master that before I get on YouTube and really talk about it, because it's something that I actually want to talk about, something that I want to move my channel more towards. And there's also something else that I am working on. Shout out my boy Chris. He knows what I'm talking about. That's going to come in the future. I don't want to say too much in this video, but be on the lookout for that. So I've been studying the USDJPY chart for basically the whole 2 months. I've been looking at this chart every day for the past 2 months. I have not missed a day, and I am slowly but surely starting to understand it, starting to get it more and more. We'll just see where that leads to. We'll just see where that leads to. Where this trading stuff came from was basically, I believe that I have a very good grasp on long-term investing, and obviously I'm still learning, and I will always be learning. This is a journey that is lifelong and that I want to make sure that I keep getting better at. I decided that the next step was basically learning short-term investing or trading, because you as an investor have to be able to make money no matter what direction the market is going in. And for those that know, trading, you can make a lot of money on the way down and on the way up. All you have to do is have the direction correctly, basically. But it's not that simple. I'm not trying to make it sound like it's that simple, but yeah, I kind of want to talk about my journey with this trading stuff. I'm gonna put a screenshot up in this video as well. But basically, since I started out very well. For some reason, I just understood it when I was going through it, but I think it was just pure luck at that point. I didn't really have a strategy, and I was just basically guessing the direction right. I had no idea what I was doing in terms of lot size and risk management and stuff like that, so I kind of ran up the account. So basically in 3 weeks, I ran my demo account into 95,000 profit. And for those that don't know what a demo account is, it's basically you're trading paper money, so fake money, but in real markets. So if you were to execute these movements with your actual live funds and your actual money, you would be making profit. Obviously, the sizes would be different depending on how much you deposit and all that. But yeah, I found a lot of success in the beginning. In the first month, running up $95,000 profit is not something that is it's not a small feat. And like I said, I give it all to some understanding of the market, and the rest I would say was just pure luck. But then what ended up happening was, like I said, I didn't understand risk management that much. I didn't understand the factor that trading on a news day can have on the price action. Basically ended up blowing my account and going from $95,000 profit to, I believe I was negative like 30,000, 40,000 at one point, because the demo accounts, you start off with 100,000 flat and then you just run it up from there. Yeah, I ended up blowing that account, and I was like, damn. At that point, that's when I was like, I don't want to say at my lowest, because I wasn't really mad. It's not real money, but it does hit you in a certain way once you want to take it seriously. And all I know is that was what I needed to really understand that I needed to take this seriously, that I need to have an actual strategy, which I have actually come up with, and I'm gonna keep talking about as I go through this video and I explain what the big news is. Yeah, I was just trading at any time. I was trading throughout the whole trading day with ridiculous lot sizes, risking way too much of my capital, but I can't really blame myself for that. I didn't know what I was really doing. I was doing my research, I was watching the chart, I was studying, but I still fell for a lot of the retail minded stuff. Again, as we progress, I'm going to talk about what I mean by that as well. But yeah, that's exactly what I needed. Yeah, but once that happened and I decided that I was going to take this a lot more seriously, I ended up actually deleting that demo account and starting a new one. And the reason why I haven't started trading with my live funds or going for a funded account, if y'all know what that is, you can lose a lot of money if you don't know exactly what you're doing. So I wanted to study and really get my knowledge up and come up with a strategy that works for me so that I could then start trading with my live funds. Because trust me, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you understand that once I gain the confidence, I'm going to start putting a lot of my own capital into that and running it up actually. So what I've actually done was, I believe it was, when was it exactly? I'll tell y'all right now. Okay, it was exactly November 27th. I created a new account, a new demo account. So I started at 100,000 flat once again. And I decided that for the rest of December, now that we're in December, I'm going to trade with the strategy that I have now. And I'm going to see how much I could run up by the end of the month into January 1st, where in January 1st, I will actually start trading with my live funds. I'm going to start a whole new series, or you could say journey or series, but I'm going to call it Road to Live Funds. I'm going to post a recap every Friday until the end of 2023 and into the start of 2024, just to see how much I could run up this account to with correct management, with a correct strategy. Then, like I said, turn it into the live funds account, and from there is going to start a whole new series, which I'm going to keep quiet. But I've been trading with this account for this past week. The trading week has just ended. It is Sunday as I'm recording this. This new trading week is about to start tomorrow, basically for me. I don't think I'm going to take a trade today unless it gets into this zone. I don't know if you guys can really see it in the video, but basically since the 27th, I am up on this account $22,528.40. I don't know if you guys can really see that. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll have the screenshot up here. What I'm going to do every Friday is I'm going to take a screenshot of my entries and why I thought it was there. I am also going to give my targets, because what is the point of getting into the market without an actual target? At that point, you're just gambling. An analogy that I like to use is you wouldn't get in a car and just start driving without knowing the destination you were going to. And people could say, oh, you technically can, but at that point, you're just wasting gas. You don't know where you're going. And it's the same way in the markets. If you just get in these markets, especially with no stop loss, you're going to learn that the market can flip on you very quickly. And that's something that, like I said, happened to me on that trading day where I forgot what day it was. I think it was PPI or CPI came out. The day before, I had made like 20,000 profit in that one day because I caught the move before the news came out at 8:30. And then the next day I said, okay, I'm going to do it again. And I just, for some reason, I didn't have a stop loss. And then the market started going in my direction. I was very happy. I was up like maybe 15K. Crazy lot sizes. Don't do this. But either way, I was up 15K. And then I was at work when I was trading, because I trade while I'm at work. And basically, I looked over, news came out, it just reversed on me. Complete spike went up. I lost basically the whole 95,000 in that day and then some. So yeah, just a lot of learning. This is a skill that is going to teach you a lot about yourself, a lot about patience, a lot about trusting yourself, and a lot about preparation, because you do have to prepare. I don't have time to really record while I'm trading because, like I said, I trade during the New York session in the morning, which I am at work for, and I can't really be recording or talking, but I will definitely screenshot my entries, and maybe I could just write down notes or something like that. But during the weekly recap on Fridays, I will tell you guys why I did these trades, what I saw, what targets I was going for, and how much I was up or down, and to see the progress that we make. Hopefully I could learn as much as I can in this month of December, so that in January I could really start picking up with my live account. But yeah, that's basically what I wanted to talk about. I've been learning a new skill and I've been really focused. That's why I haven't posted a video in such a long time, but I'm back. We're back. Something new, like I said, is coming out with my boy Chris. I'm very excited for that as well. And yeah, let's see what 2024 brings. It's gonna be a very good year. I could already feel it now. In terms of all my other stuff, in terms of investing long term, my portfolio is looking amazing in terms of stock. Crypto portfolio is running up. I believe that we're already in the start of the crypto bull run early, but precious metals is something that I've been lacking on a little bit. I wouldn't say too much because I have a lot, but I do need to get get back to buying that regularly like I used to. And then I have a couple other things that I want to talk about, but I want to save for that big news, like I said, with Chris before I discuss it on this channel. But yeah, that's really it. Hopefully I didn't ramble too long in this video. I just wanted to talk to you, and this is kind of weird because I don't know, it feels weird to be back in this, and I'm acting like I've never sat in front of a camera and talked before, but here I am. Yeah, this is the start of the day trading journey. Let's see where this takes me. I'll catch you in the next video. Hopefully it will be coming out very soon, but we're back. Let's see where this goes. I'll catch y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. Peace.